Want to know how to unlink an account in Game of Thrones Kingsroad? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones Kingsroad game, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, you should be seeing various settings, and on the bottom right side, you should be seeing something known as Manage Account. So you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected Manage Account here, you should be seeing the account that you had linked with. So there should be at least 2 linked accounts to your current account in order to unlink them. So right here, my online status is Facebook. So you can just simply select this cross icon right here to unlink it, and you can just simply select confirm, and once that is done, your account should be unlinked, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more this videos. See you in the next one, and have a good day. Want to know how to